Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete character AI accounts. Let's begin the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI. Then after, you can go to your profile icon or tap on the three dots. There you can see the option of setting. Then over here you have to scroll down, and there you can see the option of remove account. Tap on it. They'll ask you for your assurance and enter your username. For this action cannot be undone, so I will not delete it, but you can do as they say as per the requirement. Enter your username and tap on remove account. They might ask you for your email and ask for confirmation if you want to delete in your email. Likewise, you can delete your account like that. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.